Today's Instagram shout out goes to Sam.Mark6. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, Sam. If you guys want to have the chance to have your Instagram shout out, all you gotta do is use today's hashtag, which is hashtag quad, and leave your Instagram down below. Alright, what's going on, guys? I'll explain. What's going on, guys? My name is Alex Widuch and welcome back to the YouTube channel. If you guys missed the last upload, the last video was about us picking up this Eton 90 Viper. This thing is an absolute classic. If you guys are not subscribed, make sure you smash that subscribe button right now. We're trying to hit 25K and even 100,000 after that. That's the next goal after 25K is 100K. If you guys enjoyed today's video at any point, make sure you smash that like button. Today's like goal is 500, but if we hit that goal, let's hit 1,000. Let's just keep reaching higher and higher every single day and better ourselves. I'm super excited for today's video. As you guys saw in the intro, I was riding a wheelie and then all of a sudden, quad gave out in power. I think we're out of gas, but also this gas inside this vehicle is the same gas that was inside of it like 8 years ago. It's really old. I put some starter fluid into it and this quad did start right up with some starter fluid. It's got some issues and we'll go over those. I threw my RS on here and honestly I think it looks really good. I think we need all four on here, but that would take some modifications. Let me know down in the comments if you guys think that's something I should do. Honestly, it'd be pretty expensive, but I think it'd be a pretty cool video. So when I went to go pick up this quad the other day, I brought it home, I let it sit. I wanted to let it sit for the videos, but some stuff happened, some weather, some weekend stuff with the family, so I went ahead and I started it off camera. Honestly, all I did was I had it parked right here. I flipped this carb piece open for the intake box. I had that hole wide open. I sprayed some starter fluid in it, and first kick, it sputtered. Second kick, it started right up. Super smoky, so here's some clips from the day when I started it. And yeah, as you guys can see, it got super smoky. I actually got a headache that day, so I only rode it for a short amount of time, and then I kind of gave up on it, and it's kind of been sitting ever since. There are still mice living underneath the seat. There's also a beehive that's been falling apart. Yes, the bees were living inside of the quad. They were just flying out here and there, and I was getting kind of scared, but I was like, screw it. Also, a bunch of dust and debris was underneath here, and it was burning off the exhaust in the quad. I thought it had started on fire the other day, but it put itself out. So it actually turns out I have about half a gallon of gas here, so let's throw this on into the quad. This is a 2-stroke, and this does have a premix, and this is weed whacker gas, and it's about 50 to 1, so this thing's gonna be running pretty rich on the oil side, but the more oil, the better. Maybe it needs a little extra oil for that rusty piston. It's been sitting so long. Oh yeah, she's sipping. You hear? Drink, drink, drink. Do your thing, baby girl. No! If you don't already, make sure you follow my Instagram at tilted_TDI and follow my TikTok for crazy videos like this. I do little skits with this quad, my cars, all that stuff at alexwiduch6. You guys probably just saw right there, I came down on this lip and luckily this is my bad lip. I bought these wheels pre-curb rash, so I got a pretty good deal on these wheels. But man, this thing came in contact, stopped the wheel, it fell off, hit the edge, right on the lip. It definitely gouged it somewhere. I can feel it's a little rough all the way around here. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to leave that wheel for there right now, but let's go do some skids in these leaves. This quad needs a carburetor rebuild or something. It just keeps dying out on me. Since I picked this quad up, I figured out that there's a few issues with it and they've gotten worse since I started riding it for the 10 minutes I've had combined all together. Steering column stabilizer, blown out. It's brand new when I got the quad, but obviously it was dry rot the heck. The wheels look great, but they're blown out. One's cambered out like a foot. Oh my God. Just simply going down the road doing about 20 miles an hour, it almost felt like I was gonna die. Coming up the driveway was horrible. Look at that camber. So I got the quad standing up on its back because the knuckles were actually a little bit loose. So I figured while I was checking out what's wrong with them, may as well grease them up. So I greased them up. I tightened them all the way back up and the wheel still moves like crazy, so this whole bearing assembly is blown out on both sides. Put the quad back on the ground. I went ahead and removed the fuel filter, took this bracket off of the petcock, and then I moved it up so now the gas flow is a lot easier. Sometimes when you have a fuel issue, you can't really see the problem, but luckily this fuel filter is see-through, and you can very clearly see there's a big black spot in the center, and there's a whole lot of little sandy grain looking material in there, which is actually the fuel that's congealed and dried up over the years. So I went ahead and just deleted that. This thing is looking absolutely horrible. It's covered in like this mold and all this dirt, and it just looks horrible. So let's go ahead and clean this off. Oh my God. I almost just lost the thing. All right, so clearly this spark plug is bad, the carburetor is clogged, all that stuff. But like I said, we have to clean all this junk off here. Presentation is key before you fix the thing up. So this thing definitely needs a bath. Let's bring that bad boy out, get you looking good. Maybe I can take a shower later too, because I smell like two-stroke. Pouring so hard out here right now. My camera is soaked. Just that brief amount of power washing I did, literally look how much of a difference it made. The whole front grille is cleaned. Look at this fender compared to this fender, completely covered in black spores. I don't even know what's on this thing. Even look at the seat in this fender back here compared to over here. Horrible. I'm gonna do what I can do in this rain. It's just such a bummer that it's raining, but hey, there's nothing I can do about it. Let's continue to wash this thing. Quad literally looks so amazing now. I literally just gave this quad about 10 years of life, refixed back on. I did hit the Eton bar pad and I kind of destroyed it. I'm kind of sad about that. The graphics did come off over here. I tried getting them off, but the power washer kind of died. A little bit of staining around here just because of the gasoline and stuff. Overall, the plastics look absolutely amazing. Thankfully, the rain has kind of subsided, so I mean, I see a wet driveway, some leaves, and a quad that wants to be ripped, so let's abuse this thing. Throw today's video a like if you haven't already. My whole entire camera, my mic, everything is just completely getting covered in rain. It's starting to pour again, so I gotta put this thing underneath something that's not gonna get poured on, but man, throw today's video a like. Oh no! 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 The Mark 6! The Mark 6! Oh, I scratched it. Alright, I gotta turn this thing off. Cover the camera. Oh no! Look at that. Oh! I think it's better that I dent my car and scratch it than get this camera outside. Look at how wet this thing is. This camera, oh, you can't even see it, but this camera's destroyed. Now we got this thing pulled back. The rain has subsided. As you guys can see, this did get buffed out. You hate to see it, but hey, the Mark 6, she's the daily. She's also the Stancemobile's daily, but that's just the way it goes on that one. Guys, that's gonna be a wrap on today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I got lots of plans to do with this quad. Leave some suggestions down below what you guys want to see me do to this quad. There's a lot of ideas out there and I'd love to hear every single one of them, so don't hold back. I might even do one of them. I'm loving the quad. I've got TT content coming up. I'm really excited. I got some parts in the box inside the garage, so stay tuned. If you guys are not subscribed, smash the subscribe button. Follow my Instagram at tilted_TDI, and if you guys want to keep up to date on small little fun videos, follow my TikTok at alexwiduch6. But remember, don't even put you down, keep smiling, and your build is unique to you. So I hope you guys enjoyed the quad content, and I hope you guys come back for the next video. So Peace out. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.